Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some more Maniology stuff. This is two separate orders. So in this first order, I was sent this sheet of festive stickers. Look how cute they are. I love the squirrel. Love the little gingerbread man with his legs snapped. Super cute. Love this. Picked up plates. These plates on the website are $8 unless they are in their sale bin. Well, first off, I wanted to share with you this fungi plate that they released. It's super duper cute. This is M444. It has all kinds of mushrooms on here. And I love that they have like little stars and moons with them. And I think that this plate is going to be great for many different designs, but I also think it's going to be great for psychedelic kind of mushroom manicures, and I'm excited to use this one. Next up I have the Christmas plates. So this has adorable penguins on it. This is plate M428. There's lots of layering on this plate. There's like ice layering and icicle layering, penguin layering. There's some plaid. There's some full nail designs that you can fill in or not fill in if you don't want to. There is some layered trees. I've used this plate. Adorable, it's cute, and I hope you enjoy the nail art I created. M420, and this is like a classic Christmas plate. So you have lots of full images, Santa and his sleigh. You even have images on here that straight up remind me of wrapping paper, which is why I love this plate so much. There is words on this plate, which I cannot speak enough on. I love pairing words or sayings with designs, so I'm happy that they did this Christmas plate. It's a very festive, very fun, and there is lots of manicures you can come up with this one. Mani by Me plate sale. They had a few of the plates marked down, so I picked up two plates. This is plate MXM091, and these plates are a previous Mani box release that had spooky Christmas themed images. So there's like skulls and snowflakes, there's this giant snow globe, there is these spooky trees, of course there's snowflakes and lights, there's a few words on here, there's a negative space image on this plate, lots of fun images. Last plate, MXM092. And on this plate, the same concept. You have the skulls with the snowflakes. You have spooky trees. You do have some wording. There's a couple snowmen on there. There's some wreath options. Lots of full designs. I love the voodoo-y gingerbread men. So cute. And spooky holidays. Now, from the Black Friday sale, I did get a few things. This was already on sale. Halloween card set. So you got a candy one, green spider one. These are thicker and larger than the normal scrapers that come in the like kids or when you buy a stamper. This one is got some, it's like it looks kind of like a negative space one. It's got these skulls on there. Oh, they're just in sleeves. Oh, that's convenient. So, the skulls, flaming skulls, the spiders, candy, saving my favorite one for last. And it's the image with the bats and pumpkins and the kitties, and it says dead inside and bat to the bone. Very fun. It's a limited edition Halloween scraper set. I forgot to mention the plates, or the Mani by Me plates, were on sale for $5 each, normally $10 each, and the other plates were all regularly priced at $8 each. These are all new releases on the $8 plates. Well, the other items I got from Black Friday, I'm so happy. I picked up some polishes that I've been eyeing for a while that I'm excited for, and I think that when they have sales is the best time to snatch up the polish sets because they're the most expensive thing on the website. These individual polishes are usually range from $8 to $12 each. This is the one of the stamping polishes I've been eyeing for a while, and Coconut. It's an off-white stamping polish. So we'll pick that up, and I got the Maniology Naturel stamping polish set 051. They come very well packaged, always. Always, you don't have to worry about these bottles breaking. 6 stamping polishes, neutral shades, and I think these are going to be good staple polishes. So I'm going to quickly go through these, and in this set you get 6 stamping polishes: Skin Deep, Ballet Flats, Latte. Not sure that I can pronounce this one, so I will show it on screen. Boba and Cocoa. Really pretty neutral set of stamping polishes, and I thought Coconut is going to pair right in there with this set, which it does. I have a whole line of basic nude neutral shades to stamp with, fill in with, and all that. Lots of skin tone colors, perfect for animals, lots of ideas flowing. And that's the last thing that I picked up from the Black Friday sale, last thing from Maniology. Stay tuned for lots more nail art tutorials, lots more nail stamping, lots more nail content in general. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.